Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and if this is your first time visiting, thanks for coming. And this is not your first time visiting, welcome back. Today is Sunday, and it's Happy Mail Sunday. This is something I've been working on. Basically, every Sunday I will do a video about something I received in the mail from a company. But I am accepting any type of item that you want to send to me that I can review to use while I'm crafting, and also I will shout you out and hopefully you'll get some business. I do have over 80,000 subscribers, so hopefully my channel will work for you and to build your business. I have did a Happy Mail with Poly glitter. She has wonderful glitter. I did a video on that, how I put it on my wine glasses, and I also do a lot with Conde. If you want anything from Conde, please ask for Chloe Smith and just tell her I sent you, and she'll give you a discount on your products that you get from them, that you purchase from them. I will leave their link below. Okay, they sent me a few of these porcelain ornaments, and I love them. So that's what you see in my thumbnail. This is what we're gonna be working on today. It's gonna be a quick video. And let's get started. So basically, I'm using these pictures. I'm gonna show you how I crop these photos. Of course, if you don't know by now, my granddaughter passed away. She was stillborn, and she was only here for a minute, but she is always in our mind, and I'm gonna keep on sharing her memory. So what I did was file, merge, and I got a photo of her and my daughter and her fiance. Basically cropped it, okay? I know y'all seen this photo a lot. I took a circle. I just crop it, make it big as how I want it to go over what I want to put in the picture in the photo on the item. I bring it up. Let's see, about right here to get the whole word in there and her head, of course. Okay, that's right there. So then what I need to do is go ahead and highlight both images. Okay, and then I go to Object, Group it. And then I go to Object again, Modify, and Crop right here. And there we have it. We have a complete circle with her in it. So what I'm doing is basically the ornaments are 2.875, okay, a circle. And I'm just going ahead and make these images 3.3, okay, 3 by 3, I'm sorry. And there we have it. I'm using 11 by 17 paper. I just went ahead and did a couple of them so I won't waste paper. Okay, I'll be making these for Christmas, giving to my daughter and other family members. So I just did a few pictures that I had. I just did a few more pictures that I had already. I cropped them, then I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and file, print. And I had my printer was 7710, and I make sure I go to layout, make sure it's flipped horizontally, and I go ahead and push print. I already printed this out, so I won't be printing it again. I just want to show you how I print it. And make sure it has the paper right over here, 11 by 17 paper. And I'll meet you at my heat press. Okay, y'all, I am back. Y'all, my printer want to act funny now. It want to act up on me because I got my new printer, and I guess it's jealous. I use my 7710, Epson 7710 to print these photos out. And I done did some cleaning to them and everything, and it's still not clear, but this will be okay. I'm doing this for my daughter. But yeah, I got my new big boy, the Epson SCF570, which can print up to 24 inches. So yeah, my other print, my small printer, she's mad, but she'll get over it. What we're gonna do is, I have some spray that also Conde has sent to me. Some dye trans spray. Instead of using tape, I'm going to use this. What I do is, I'm going to do this at the camera, but I'm just going to shake this up and spray the picture so it can stick to the porcelain ornament, okay? Let me do that real quick off the camera so it won't go on my camera. I'm popping tops, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and place this ornament on top of the picture like this. Make sure her head is in there. Everything else I want to go in there. Okay, and it sticks really good, y'all. It sticks really good. But I'm gonna do the same thing for this other picture. Spray it lightly so it can stick. I'm gonna put this hat right here. sure her head is in there. Okay, that should work. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press that. I think this is gonna be out. The little E gonna be out a little bit, but if I want her head to be in there, so the E will be out, so it's okay on the word love. Okay, so then I also they love me at Conde. They also gave me this to do my projects on it, my videos. It's just a green mat. It's like a silicone mat to help out the heating process for the images. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put the paper on top. They put the heat pad on. It's called the green pad. Okay, so if you're looking for something like this, these are good for the slates and for anything porcelain. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press this 400 for 3 minutes on light pressure. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos once a week. I've been doing a lot of different things. I do sublimation, I do vinyl, I do all kind of stuff, y'all. I got me a new printer. Like I said, I have the big boy, the Epson F570. If you want to see how I use that and how to print on that, just check out my videos. Oh, that ink came on here. I also have the embroidery machines. Have 2 of them. Have the PE800 and the Innovis NQ1600. They're both from Brother. So check me out, y'all. I have so much to show you, and hopefully you were learning from me. Check out my my Etsy page if you don't want to design the thing that I'm designing. I can personalize your items for you. It's Charming Gal Boutique #2. I'm gonna go ahead. This is set for only 60 seconds. This is my sublimation heat press, but I already timed it on my other one. So I am gonna wait for 3 minutes. That was only 60 seconds, but I'm waiting for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video while I just finish beeping for the remaining 2 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, the 3 minutes is up. We're gonna take this off and show you the results. We'll go ahead and cut off my other timer. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that red bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And this is very hot, so let me get my heat gloves. Yes, it's good to have heat gloves, y'all. This stuff is hot. This porcelain can get really hot. So like I said, my printer was showing out on me, so it's kind of dull a little bit because I guess I got to play with it a little bit. It's jealous. I got a new printer, but it still came out right. Okay. And here's the back. And it's that spray on there, so it look kind of sticky, so I'm going to have to wipe it off with alcohol because I use that spray. So when you use that spray, just go ahead and get some alcohol and wipe it off. And there's the other side, y'all. It turned out beautiful. And it also comes with a little, let me show you, little string to attach it. When it cools down, put the string on here. And you can just basically loop it in and pull it through and hang it on the Christmas tree for ornaments. I love it. Check out my Etsy page, Charming Gal Boutique #2. Ooh, it's hot. And that's the finished product. Let me show y'all. I just finished doing, I was just working on my embroidery machine. I just made this. Check out this if you want to see how I do the snap taps, the keychains. Check out that. I have a video on how to do these also. I love doing this. This is the vinyl, and it's really strong. You can put it on your key rings with a nice little message on it. All right, that'll be all for today, y'all. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate you for watching. Until next time, be blessed.